Hello kids, now we will see the second one, that is, see here, ba and k, and it's ba and ka. I will do a quick revision here. Ba, ka, be, ke, bi, ki, then bo, ko, ba, ka. Now see here, today in this class we will see this one, da and fa. See, da, a. Repeat the way I am repeating. Da, a, da. Da, a, da. Da, a, day. Da, e, d. Then da, o, do. Da, a, da. Da, a, da. Da, e, de. Da, e, d. Da, o, do. Da, a, da. Similarly, we will go for the next alphabet. That is, see, E is a vowel. So, E we have done here. Next is F alphabet. F is a vowel? No, it's a, what is it? F is a, yes, it's a consonant. So, consonant means B, C, D, F. So, E and E, A and E. That is, it's a vowel, hence I have not included here. Now comes the next alphabet, F. Fa, fa, a, fa. Fa, a, fa. Fa, e, fe. Fa, e, fe. Fa, e, fi. Fa, e, fi. Fa, o, fo. Fa, o, fo. Fa, a, fa. Fa, a, fa. Now, see here, da, de, di, do, da. Da, de, di, do, da. Repeat. Da, de, di, do, da. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Now we'll revise once again from ba to fa. Ba, ka, da, fa. Be, be, ke, de, fe. Repeat from now. Ba, ba, ka, da, fa. Be, ke, de, fe. Be, ke, de, fe. Bi, ki, di, fi. Bi, ki, di, fi. Now what is this? Bo, ko, do, fo. Bo, ko, do, fo. Ba, ba, ka, da, fa. Ba, ka, da, fa. Now start from here. Ba. Like this also you should know, and like this also you should know. Horizontally and vertically both you should be aware of. See, ba, be, bi, bo, ba. Ba, be, bi, bo, ba. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Next, da, de, di, do, da. Da, de, di, do, da. Da, de, di, do, da. Next, fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Repeat. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Now repeat once again from here to here. Ba, horizontally and vertically. Okay. Ba, ka, da, fa. Be, ke, de, fe. Bi, ki, di, fi. Bo, ko, do, fo. The words should be clear enough. Okay. Ba, ka, da, fa. Now read like this. Ba, be, bi, bo, ba. Ba, be, bi, bo, ba. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Da, de, di, do, da. Da, de, di, do, da. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Once you are very clear of the sounds, you will get accustomed to the words also, friends. Okay. Now in this video it's enough for you because you revise from ba to fur. Ba to fur. In our next video we will see few more sounds.